Yog Sundar was born on July 16, 1921 in Limdi, into a princely family of Gujarat. His Nana, Jhaver Bhai Amin, was the Diwan of Limdi state. His grandfather, Ambai Das Jiva Bhai, and ancestors were administrators of the Mughals and the Gaikwads. Their 300-year-old ancestral Haveli in Vaso, known for its wooden carving, is one of the best in Gujarat. Yog Sundar was born to illustrious parents, Bhaktiba, a freedom fighter, and Darbar Gopal Das, the ruler of Dhasa state in Gujarat, who gave up his throne to join the freedom movement with Gandhiji. He became a member of the Constituent Assembly of India. The Constitution of India bears his signature. Yog Sundar had the opportunity of growing under Gandhiji and Sardar Patel. He went to Bardoli and bore satyagrahas as part of the Vanar Sena. Yog Sundar's love for the arts began early. He chanced to see Uday Shankar in the early 1930s at the Royal Opera House in Bombay. Yog Sundar studied at Rashtriya Shalas, Gandhiji's Bardoli Ashram, Dakshinamurti, Gujarat Vidyapeeth, and Tagore's Shanti Niketan. At Shanti Niketan, he undertook full-time painting in Kala Bhavan under the legendary Nandalal Bose. Later, he joined the Sangeet Bhavan to learn Kathakali from Guru Kelu Nair, Manipuri from Guru Atom Bapu, and Rabindra Sangeet from Shanti Dev Ghosh. It was Guru Kelu Nair who advised Yog Sundar to go to Kerala if he wished to learn Kathakali seriously. He met poet Vallathol at Kerala Kala Mandalam to learn from Padma Shri Guru Vadinkada Kunchu Nair and stayed on in Kerala for 4 years. Yogendra Sundar, as he was known then, debuted on the Bombay stage as Raja Bhimdev in K.M. Munshi's Jai Somnath in 1945 with Nayana Jhaveri as Chola Devi. The legendary Ram Gopal of Bangalore invited him to join his troupe, which toured the then undivided India in 1946. Calcutta, the hub of art and culture, was waiting for Yogendra, as he was fondly addressed. A new chapter began in his life, one of the most productive and rewarding periods. He led the Indian Progressive Ballet Group on a cooperative basis. The first show in Kalika Theatre was a houseful show. The brochure was designed by Satyajit Ray. In 1948, he founded the Indian Revival Group. The group produced Birth of Freedom, Freedom Festival, Voice from Beyond, The Call of the Country. Mahabharata in silhouette and shadow was presented in Purna Kumbh Mela, Haridwar in 1950. Yog Sundar partnered the renowned Shadhuna Bose in Ajanta. Yog Sundar created Kiratarjun in the 50s. In 1954, the group went to Egypt to perform on a chartered cruise ship SS Independence. In 1955, Yog Sundar produced Rhythms of India, a spectacle of India's rich and varied dance heritage. The show went on an all-India tour, which lasted for 10 months. In 1957, his group was selected to visit the Soviet Union. Indian Revival Group performed at the first command performance at Rashtrapati Bhavan before the first President Dr. Rajendra Prasad and first Prime Minister Pandit Nehru in 1957. Subsequently, Indian Revival Group performed for Dr. Radhakrishnan, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, and many international leaders such as Mrs. Kennedy at Rashtrapati Bhavan and abroad. Indian Revival Group recorded the first dance program for Doordarshan. In 1959-1960, Yog Sundar toured the Middle East countries independently by land route. The tour lasted 7 months, fueled by the adventurous and enterprising spirit of Yog Sundar, without any prior booking in any country and on a cooperative basis. In Gaza, they performed for UN forces. Following Gandhiji's ideals of taking art to the masses, he performed in the villages of Gujarat before villagers who had never witnessed such a performance before. In 1963, Yog toured India, and in 1964, Europe. The group was sent by the government to participate in the International Folk Dance Festival in Istanbul, and the group won an award. Yog Sundar married Geeta Shri Gupta in 1965, who has ever since been his partner in life and work. Yog Sundar directed the Ram Leela for Shri Ram Bharatiya Kala Kendra in 1966, which received critical acclaim. His magnum opus titled The Man Divine is based on Tagore's poem The Child. The Man Divine is a tribute to both Gandhi and Tagore, the two men who influenced Yog Sundar in life, produced in 1969 for Gandhiji's birth centenary at the behest of Congress President U.N. Dhebar. The production was produced at a colossal scale, bringing together masters like Jyotindra Maitra and Satish Bhatia of AIR for music score, Govardhan Panchal of NSD for designing the sets, Malati Mehta for costumes, and NSD's Ram Gopal Bajaj, who wrote and gave voice to the Hindi commentary. In 1970, Yog Sundar shifted his base to Delhi. Under the patronage of General Manekshaw, Yog Sundar took art to the army jawans. He undertook highly adventurous and strenuous tours to border areas in Ladakh and Arunachal Pradesh. In 1975, Yog Sundar directed Shyama in Hindi, which received rave reviews in Calcutta, and toured UK for the Tagore Festival in 1986. He was invited to participate in the first and second Ballet Festival of Sangeet Natak Academy and presented productions on contemporary themes, The Journey in 1976 and Darkness at Noon in 1977. In the 80s, he created Ram Katha, assimilating the folk theatre traditions and storytelling techniques of India, where Nat and Nati narrate the story, employing the technique of Rangla and Rangli of Bhavai, the folk theatre of Gujarat. Yog led the group to Tanzania, Kenya, Jordan, Oman, Bahrain, and Iraq for ICCR in 1980 and to the Festival of India held in the island of Reunion in 1992. He designed Cultural Festivals of India in London in 1985 and USA in 1991. For Akshardham Sanstha, Sangeet Natak Academy Archives has documented his productions. Influenced by Gandhian principles, Yog Sundar has carried on his work all these years selflessly, without chasing wealth and fame. He has led the group in over 5,000 shows and more than 250 tours through the length and breadth of the country. Indian Revival Group has completed 7 decades of unbroken chain of existence. He has enriched the cultural landscape of India at home and abroad. Yog Sundar received the Sangeet Natak Academy Puraskar in 2009 for his lifetime contribution to the field of Indian dance.
शृण्वन्तु विश्वे अमृतस्य पुत्राः.
Yog Sundar served the cause of Indian dance, and for that he stands celebrated. A rich canvas of life, a life in dance.